the facts. These are the facts.
We'll ask you to withdraw that, unless you can bring it back later if you have it.
I can bring it back later.
Okay, now withdraw.
Okay, I withdraw. Do I proceed? But, Madam Speaker, while at it, when they talk about 60,000 teachers, we did not see them substantiating the claims, because even that is a claim. But let me proceed. The President did not address the issue of national cohesion and equitable distribution of national resources and job opportunities. We've had a committee here in Parliament demonstrate that jobs were created, a few jobs that were created at KRA were unfairly distributed amongst a few communities, which I thought the President, that's a national issue, he should have addressed. The other thing is about the President being misinformed by those who give him data on the issue of the gentleman called Karisa from Coast Province, who has accessed 714 million from the Hustler Fund. That 714,000, who wanted to be given more access to be able to purchase a tuk-tuk. With 714,000, that gentleman can actually buy 2 of those tools of trade that he can use to generate income. What I can say again is that the government hasn't given clear indicators on job creation for youth. When the President talks about 50,000 jobs created in the construction industry, not all young Kenyans, not all youth are fundis. Most young Kenyans would hope to get job opportunities far beyond the construction industry. And the President ought to also have spoken about job losses in the steel industry, in the banking industry, and in the various industries that we've had job losses.
What's your point of order, Honorable Nyamai?
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.